Hello, this tutorial will cover the basics of searching scholarly books. So beginning at our English 1A Kahlert homepage, I'm going to start by clicking on About Scholarly Books. What we've done are brought together some resources that break down either the anatomy of a scholarly book and how to read a book for research. But this video, I highly recommend you watching and listening closely for why you would want to use a scholarly book. For greater depth and breadth of information, it's going to give you more context and really help you start to analyze the varying issues underneath your topic. Also, I want to point out the difference between monograph books. So a monograph is a book that has one author, as opposed to an anthology, which will be a book that has multiple authors and are gathered into a single book by an editor or editors. You'll need to recognize the difference between these two when it comes to citation. I've also provided some links to where other books are for when you're actually searching your topic. You're going to want to start here. Come to the Merced College catalog or the ebook collection and type your search topics in there. Please pay attention to using those single keywords and subject terms. Finally, let's take a look at how we open up one of these ebooks. I'm going to go ahead and click on this top one right here, this Speaking Freely. It redirects me straight into the record. Now to open up the book, I can either come to this table of contents and click here, and these will open up to, say, the chapter or the copyright page or the title page, or I can select PDF full text. Please do not select EPUB or download. It doesn't work, especially if you're off campus. You're going to be asked to log in, and it's a whole separate process that I can't even guarantee will work if you're off campus or on. So PDF full text is really the only thing you need to click. From here, you can refine your searches over on the left-hand side. Also note up here along the ribbon, you've got the ability to email pages, print, even cite. All right, this concludes your tutorial for using scholarly books.